Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 208 in the GT line specification. So this car comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the half leather interior with a red GT line style stitching. There's also the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. Some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So this car has the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine. It gives you 100 horsepower. The car's done less than 14,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.